right-hand side. The wings are swept back to 45 degrees, which is a good compromise wing, comfortable around about 400 knots. So the aircraft will go dive and roll out for the majority length of the runway, but the last aircraft will have the thrust buckets pre-armed. So as soon as it touches down, they will automatically deploy, and a very good demonstration of the short field capability of this aircraft. That was something that was very much